We're back.
Today is the middle of February. Check it out.
T-shirt, jumper, coat on, and it is the 19th of August, and there's a boat just coming through the bridge we first get to.
Yeah, it's not going good. As soon as we want to set off, another boat wants to come through the lock.
Yeah.
And
We've left it until sort of, what's the time, Josh? 1ish?
yeah, because it's been horrible all day. It's pissing down all day. Hopefully it stays off because we've got 15 locks to do today.
Yeah, we're
the
doing
Audlem
the
Flight.
Audlem Flight. So let's
Quite
see how it
nervous and
goes.
excited.
Yeah.
Haven't done this many locks in
Out in a row.
Yeah.
I think Foxton locks 10.
yeah, I
But
think
they
so.
were like a staircase, isn't it? So
This is a flight.
yeah, this is a flight, so you've got a bit of a gap in between.
How many is Cane Hill again? It's 21, isn't it?
29,
29.
Cane Hill.
So
Hatton is
double.
21, I think. I'm not sure.
So it's one of the
Cane is the
biggest
29.
flights, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we had
15's enough for us, I think.
Lovely couple of days there, didn't we?
Oh yeah, we had a
Beautiful
couple of
wine.
nights there. Well, cows right opposite us, which was lovely.
Yeah, nice there, wasn't it? Nice
Yeah,
spot.
really nice.
Alright.
Hiya. Yeah, lovely spot.
And yeah, we did a little live stream yesterday, which
Yeah.
should have been quite a while ago for you guys.
Yeah. Well, we done a fishing one. I only caught 6 fish, 7 fish.
Yeah.
Only tiddlers though.
It's 2
Not a very
days.
good spot that, was it really?
No.
Not really.
I think it's because it's in between locks again and the fish can't migrate or
Yeah.
move between the locks very well.
Oh,
That's a weird horn.
What's he doing that for?
I don't know. But yeah, we've got 2 days until the quick show.
Yeah.
We announced it on Facebook and YouTube that we're going. I was going to make it a surprise, but Mum wanted to announce it.
Yeah, we're not doing the whole weekend. We're just going to do Saturday because we've got a drive there, and also we've got
It's about 2 hours.
Yeah, and we've got Andy's granddaughter Ava's christening on Sunday as well to get back to.
Yeah.
So yeah, on the Sunday.
But yeah, you would have seen that already a couple of weeks ago, probably in the video. Yeah, I hope we enjoyed it. I hope we met lots of you, but I don't know yet. We'll see.
Very nice. I think Andy's doing a few extra pasties, so I don't know who would be the lucky people to try them. But yeah, hopefully we'll see a few of you guys. Let's hope so.
So yeah, we're hopefully going to do the Audlem Flight without any rain. 15 knots. Going to ache after this one. And then we've got to get the car tomorrow.
Yeah, ready for
And-
Saturday.
Yeah, and then we're going to have the quick show. So yeah, join us.
Join us, enjoy.
be no lock landing. Someone's moored on the lock landing, and
There's
there's another.
board on it.
No, there's a sign there. I don't know what it says, but someone's coming up anyway for the locks. I think. I'm not
Yeah.
quite sure
Don't know
what's
if
going
one-
on there.
I don't know if you can get in front of it. We're going to get off, I think, and have a look.
Yeah. So this is it. We'll see you once we're done. Yeah. Wish us luck.
Wish us luck with our first one.
They've put it all the way up, it just leaks. over, yeah. So we're in lock number 8 now. Things are going pretty well so far.
Mostly in our favour,
Most of it's good in our favour. Just someone doing the lock for us now, and they're going to come in. So they're leaving the gates open for us, and we're leaving the gates open for them. And yeah, it couldn't really go much better than this. You know, the sun's come out, the raincoats are off. It's really, really nice and warm now. Yeah, so far so good.
Too warm now.
Yeah, it's too hot now.
Too cold this morning, too hot now.
Let's not make up our minds.
Too hot
So yeah, I'm just having a little break before I go down, get a lift to the next ride. I mean, look, my bad. See you in a bit.
Wait.
It's the first time we got stopped off at the pub, isn't it?
Yeah, we're stopped off at the Shroppie Fly. And I don't normally drink.
Filling up on water.
Yeah, we're filling up on water, but
We pulled up in our boat.
Pulled up on in our boat. I've got a, what is it that Mark says? Right nice pint.
Wait, you don't know yet.
Nice.
Half pint.
What did you get me anyway?
No, it's only a
it?
bitter shandy.
What is the bitter?
Bitter. I don't know what the bitter is. I just asked for a bitter shandy.
Bitter.
I just asked for a bit of a shandy. And I don't think we'll be doing this that often.
It's nice, it's really hoppy, so hopefully it's a local beer.
And I just asked for Josh, I just asked for a dark fruit cider.
That looks like it's been pulled off tap.
Yeah, it is. It's Strongbow, I think.
Yeah.
The Strongbow glass, so I suppose it's Strongbow, isn't it? I think, is this your first dark fruit cider in a pub or not, Josh?
Stronger.
No, I had in Weatherspoons, didn't I?
Oh yeah. Is it
Not
nice?
as nice as the other ones, strong though. It's alright though.
No, it's a bit strong. Get it?
Well, that's because it's Strongbow. I don't know. I don't know. All I
I'm
asked
gonna be
for.
drunk after this.
Yeah, all I asked for was a dark fruit cider.
It's alright then.
I could have got half. Is Andy enjoying his
It's nice, refreshing.
shandy and my half a shandy? So yeah, quite nice. Bit busy here.
Right, nice pint of shandy. Finally done. 2 hours and 48 minutes later. 50 now.
Actually,
Yeah, minus 20 minutes at the pub getting water.
Yeah, we stopped off at...
We got water and the boat got water.
Yeah, we stopped off at the Shropshire... Look at that, I don't know.
Ah, beautiful lake we've just seen over there, guys. Go past these spruce trees in a minute. We're gonna
no,
see
we've
them.
filled up with water at the Shroppie Fly,
Yeah.
and thanks to Nick and Polly last night on our live vlog, fishing live vlog last night, they told us to treat ourselves to an ice cream and gave us a tenner.
It wasn't really
So-
weather for us.
Wasn't really weather for the ice for an ice
And we
cream.
never ever stop in a pub. And we
No,
haven't
we
yet.
never ever stop in a pub. Well, lived 20 odd years in Ilfracombe, never went to a pub. So, but yeah, so it's the first one we stopped at. Yeah, filled up with water, left the boat there, watched the boat filling up. Yeah, and thanks to Nick and Polly, thanks guys. Josh had a
Right, nice pint.
right nice pint. A
Big pint of cider.
Yeah.
Tipsy.
he feels a bit tiddly now because he don't
Tiddly?
drink.
That saying is coined by Wild Deck Diaries, but I like it.
Yeah.
Just thought I would say
Look at
that.
You missed the view. Yeah, you can
And
see it
I've
going
even,
there.
I've
These
even
spruce trees are lovely, but they're the only deciduous fir tree you can get. And in the winter they'll lose all their needles.
Well, it's a
become
shame we've
bare.
got more here.
Oh, and I even actually had, I don't drink, but I even actually had half a bit of shandy.
There's some more here. I've only got one tire left.
And Andy had a pint of bit of
Yeah,
shandy.
but I think
didn't
there's heaps.
he? But thank you, Nick and Polly.
Do you not want more here then?
Want more here, Dan?
If you want to, beautiful. Where's the car though? Where's that?
So, yeah, we're not going to moor there. It's absolutely beautiful. That's.
Yeah.
Is it the mooring he was on about? I'm not sure. Because I can't see Wales. But it's absolutely
No, he
beautiful.
said there's a stretch, a certain amount of stretch, and you can look over and see North Wales. So,
Yeah, guy we met the other day, wasn't it?
yeah, Cockerel, he knows the canal really well.
The only trouble is, We've got nowhere to park the car and we need it for Saturday.
We're in the middle of nowhere,
cricket show.
basically, guys. There's no roads, no access.
There is a few places to park, but you're going to have to walk a few miles.
Mile walk. Yeah. Across.
There's a bridge
unforgiving
there with a
terrain.
road, but it's a private road.
Yeah.
So
But
we're going to
it's,
go on
It's
past over water marina.
It's okay if we didn't. Trouble is, we're going to the cricket show on Saturday, so we do
Yeah.
need the car.
Yeah, the Audlem Flight went really well for us. didn't it?
Yeah.
Didn't for me. It's very difficult.
No.
It's one of the most difficult flights I've done.
If you kept seeing Dad hit the lock, that's because I think the boat's a bit it's really long, isn't it? So
Just as you're coming down, when you come out, you've got a weir use on one side to start with, then it goes to the next side, but they're very powerful, some of them. So what happens, you get blown to one side or pushed to one side with the current. But when you've managed to sort that out, you get to near the lock, and right on the lock you've got the overspill weir. And because she's 70 foot, she becomes uncontrollable. She starts going towards the overspill weir, so you get like a fish effect. So all of a sudden one side of Olive will hit the locks, then the other side will hit, and it's just like boom, 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 boom. So it was probably one of the hardest locks I've ever done, those. Very difficult locks.
it was mostly on our side though, wasn't it?
Oh, it's
Yeah.
beautiful. Apart from two locks, they were all on our side. We just slid
We
down
didn't
lovely.
have to.
And it was quiet.
Yeah, we didn't have to wait, which was
No,
really. We just chose a perfect time. About 1:30 we left, didn't we, Josh?
when we get to that pub, the Shroppie Inn, is it called or something?
Shroppie Fly.
When you get there, there's a hell of a bottleneck there. I can imagine, like, if we were filling up with water and another boat wants to come down and use the lock and another boat's coming out, you've got moored boats on both sides.
And you got people there
Yeah.
watching you.
Having a few
they're
drinks.
all right. I think that people that come to a pub beside a canal where it's busy by locks, they want to sit and watch the boats. They're not there to take the piss. Not a lot of them are boaters themselves, aren't they? And we sat there and had a nice pint and filled up with water at the same time. It was absolutely brilliant.
Got rid of the rubbish.
Yeah.
We only stayed there as long. As soon as the water was filled, I necked it and we were gone. We didn't overstay our welcome.
Oh, yeah, that was it really. It's done. It's good.
Someone was having a Tesco delivery down there.
Yeah.
There's something going on over there, Josh. Might have some new marina.
They're probably extending over water marina, aren't they?
Ah.
Sorry, I'm a bit like all over the place.
That looks like a caravan park then.
There's one pint of cider.
That looks like a caravan park because they got the power points on the ground, so that'll be underwater. They build it. So that could be a new caravan park alongside the marina.
Yeah, we're gonna carry on about a mile or so, pass over water marina.
Well, we
And
can
there's a
park
parking there because me and Dad drove over it yesterday. Yeah. Alright.
Marina
Yeah, it's starting to rain now. So yeah.
Yeah.
finally moored up. About 4 hours of cruising.
What's going on, Dan?
I don't know, I'm trying to sit.
Hmm.
Yeah, I've done a strip off because I had a coat on, a jumper on, and this
Diesel
on.
strip off.
And then a bit of a strip at the lock because it's. And some lady was starting singing the striptease song. No, that's Full Monty.
That's a strip song.
Yeah, that's Full Monty.
What was she singing then?
Oh God, I don't know.
Oh, I know.
Go on then.
No, okay.
No.
That made her blow a gasket
No,
then.
that's not it. Oh, I don't know how it goes. I can't.
just-
Oh, don't worry
Forget
about it.
about
Let's
it.
just do the outro.
Let's just think about it.
But yeah, we moored up down there and we sent Mum ahead to check if there was nice and mooring close to the bridge. There was a nice Armco there, new
Right.
Armco.
Found some beautiful mooring, but we couldn't moor there, could we?
Yeah,
No.
and a beautiful view.
Well, where you were, when you pulled over, you said get the bike. I think I should have got the bike because it's quite a walk.
that's what I mean.
But to here. Oh, Toby's. Oh Christ, Toby's on somebody else's boat now.
What the hell?
I think he's eating their plants at the moment.
God's
I
sake!
bet you that's catnip. They've probably grown catnip and he loves it.
Oh no.
Bloody cat!
Look at him! Look at him!
I don't know if you can see him there.
But there's a car park just there,
Yeah.
just near the bridge, and so we're in a perfect
That's
spot at
definitely
the moment.
catnip they've grown.
Yeah, we'll probably be here till Monday, guys.
Tuesday.
Or Monday or Tuesday,
Monday
yeah.
or Tuesday, yeah.
So, because we've got the crick and then the christening. So tomorrow we've got to ride back and get the car, haven't we, Josh?
Yeah, I'm whacked at the moment. I've got a massive headache.
Yeah. That's his pint of cider, I think. It's giving him a headache.
So yeah, we're going to end it here. Thank you very
Yeah.
much for watching.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Hope you
We are
enjoyed.
glad it's over the. Oh, it's not too bad. I didn't think it was too bad. The weather was nice, so that's made it better, didn't
Could
it?
have been a lot worse.
Yeah, if it was,
been,
it was
could have been
pouring
really
down
busy.
rain and pouring down with rain, it wouldn't have been nice. But
Kettle's going off, so we've got to
oh,
end this.
kettle's going.
Alright
Cup of tea.
everyone, thanks for watching.
Thanks
Please
again.
like and subscribe. Subscribing is totally free. I think 40% of you aren't subscribed. And check out our Patreon for 24 hour
Just
early
push the
access.
subscription button.
And you'll get exclusive videos, cooking videos and fishing videos, and
Make sure you comment, guys.
Yeah,
pretty
and
much it.
faces.
we'll see you next time.
See you next time. See you next time.